New Zealand Oil and Gas, we do science and engineering. We interpret how the Earth's developed so that we can find the treasures of energy within it. We then look at how you extract that and deliver it to people as affordably and with as little impact as possible. New Zealand Oil and Gas bring energy to markets, but markets are people, and people need cheap power, and they need it when they need it. It's got to be cheap and it's got to be reliable. Australia, New Zealand and Indonesia all rely on coal at the margin in their energy systems. That means that every molecule of gas we produce displaces a molecule of coal, more than halving the emissions. This is the transition at work, illustrated best by our Dingo gas field near Alice Springs. That feeds a dedicated power plant and battery which exist to pick up the load when Alice Springs 40% solar doesn't have enough sun. The battery picks up the load, gives time for the gas generators to come on, and the system works. That's the transition in operation. It's real and it's happening today. The thing that makes us proud at New Zealand Oil and Gas is the people. We're a small company, but we have an amazing array of diverse ages, genders, nationalities and skill sets. We're scientists, we're engineers, we're lawyers, we're finance experts. We work flexibly, but we also get to work on some of the most cutting-edge technology in our cutting-edge business. We get to do that in a cool little office in the world's coolest little capital. So what's not to love about that? Since 2010, New Zealand Oil and Gas has returned around about $250 million to its shareholders. Over the last few years, we've made some acquisitions that have been really well priced and have added value to our bottom line. Growing our reserves base. In the last year, we've grown our reserves base 5 times. At the same time, we've brought on board a major shareholder who are globally connected, financially capable, and share our vision of leaning into the transition and looking at the opportunities that that'll bring up.